Joseph Murphy says that our subconscious mind is the main force behind everything in our lives, including our financial situation. If you're struggling with money, it's time to take charge of your subconscious mind and start programming to change your finances. In this video, I'm going to share with you a powerful technique suggested by Joseph Murphy himself that will help you train your subconscious mind to attract wealth and abundance. So let's get started. Joseph Murphy says that our subconscious mind holds significant power and controls our actions, decisions, and everything that we do in our daily lives. But we can use the power of the subconscious mind to our advantage by directing it through our thoughts. Think of your subconscious mind as a powerful computer that operates behind the scenes, controlling everything you see on the screen of your life. Just as a computer responds to the keystrokes of a user, your subconscious mind responds to the thoughts and beliefs you hold in your conscious mind. Imagine your fingers typing away on the keyboard of your life. You press the B key, expecting to see the letter B appear on the screen. But instead, you get an N or a T or some other letter you didn't intend to type. Frustrated, you try hitting the key harder, but it still doesn't work. The problem is that you've been programmed the wrong way. Growing up, you heard all kinds of messages from your parents, teachers, and other authority figures that have programmed your subconscious mind with limiting beliefs about money and success. You've been taught that money is hard to come by, that success is only for the lucky few, and that rich people are greedy and selfish. All of this programming has created a poverty mindset that keeps you stuck in a cycle of scarcity and lack. But the good news is that you can reprogram your subconscious mind to attract wealth and abundance into your life. To do this, you must first become aware of the negative programming that's holding you back. Listen to your self-talk and pay attention to the messages you're receiving from the media and other external sources. Are they reinforcing a poverty mindset, or are they empowering you to create the life you desire? The media is one of the biggest sources of negative programming in our lives. We're bombarded with messages that tell us we're not good enough, that we need to buy more stuff to be happy, and that the world is a dangerous and scary place. Social media in particular can be a breeding ground for comparison and self-doubt, as we see other people's highlight reels and feel like we're not measuring up. Then there's the news, which seems to thrive on sensationalism and negativity. It's important to stay informed about current events, but we must also be mindful of how much we consume and how that affects our mindset. If we're constantly exposing ourselves to stories of tragedy and hardship, it's easy to fall into a state of despair and hopelessness. So how can we train our subconscious minds to attract wealth and abundance instead of scarcity and lack? The subconscious mind is a powerful tool that can be programmed and trained to bring positive changes to your life. If you've been struggling with negative thoughts and limiting beliefs, it's time to take action and start reprogramming your mind for success. Think of your subconscious mind as a fertile field that can grow anything you plant in it. If you plant negative thoughts and beliefs, you'll get negative results. But if you plant positive, empowering beliefs, you'll attract wealth and abundance into your life. Here I will share with you 3 simple steps you can take to start training your subconscious mind to attract wealth. But before anything else, I need to tell you that it is easy. It's really easy, just accept that. Don't try to argue. If you believe that it is easy, then you will easily manifest wealth and abundance. But if you think it is not easy, then it probably will not work. So here is the technique. Step 1. Identify your subconscious beliefs. If you want to attract wealth, one of the first steps is to identify your subconscious beliefs about money. Your subconscious beliefs are the thoughts and feelings that you hold deep within yourself about money, success, and abundance. These beliefs may have been formed during childhood, or they may have been picked up along the way by society, friends, family, or other influential figures. To identify your subconscious beliefs about money, you need to pay attention to your thoughts and experiences about money. Whenever you feel a negative emotion, such as fear, anxiety, or stress, stop and ask yourself, what must I be believing right now to feel this way? By sitting with this question and exploring your thoughts and feelings, you can start to uncover your underlying beliefs about money. For example, if you feel uneasy about paying off a loan on time, you might ask yourself, what must I believe to feel this way? Your beliefs might include thoughts such as, there's never enough money for anything, money is slow to enter and quick to go, or taking out loans will lead to financial ruin. These beliefs are likely to be limiting and may be holding you back from attracting wealth. Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, it's important to check in with your preferred version of yourself. This is the version of yourself that has already achieved the success you desire. You can imagine this version of yourself as a successful business owner, a wealthy investor, or any other version of yourself that you aspired to be. Ask yourself, What does the person I'd rather feel about this? This question will help you connect with the positive emotions and beliefs that you need to attract wealth. You might find that the preferred version of yourself believes in abundance, trusts in the universe, or has a positive attitude toward money. Once you have identified the beliefs and emotions that you need to attract wealth, it's important to adopt them right here, right now. This means that you need to start thinking, feeling, and acting like your preferred version of yourself. Step 2. Assume you are your preferred self. Assuming that you are your preferred self is the second step in training your subconscious mind to attract wealth. The subconscious mind is neutral and doesn't differentiate between what is real and what is imagined. It accepts whatever you feed it, and in turn, manifests it in your life. Therefore, it is essential to program your subconscious mind with positive thoughts and beliefs to attract abundance and wealth. Assuming that you are your preferred self means imagining yourself as the person you want to become. It involves visualizing yourself in your ideal life, with all the things you desire, such as wealth, success, happiness, and love. This step helps to program your subconscious mind with positive thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, which in turn attract positive experiences in your life. So here is how you can assume that you are your preferred self. The first step is to define who you want to become. Be specific about your desires, goals, and aspirations. Write them down and be clear about what you want to achieve. The second step involves visualizations. Close your eyes and visualize yourself as your preferred self. Imagine yourself living your ideal life, with all the things you desire. Visualize every detail, such as your surroundings, your clothes, the people around you, and the feelings you experience. Make it as vivid and real as possible. Once you have visualized your preferred self, start acting as if you are already that person. Adopt the habits, behaviors, and mindset of your preferred self. For example, if you want to become wealthy, start thinking like a wealthy person, adopt their habits, and take actions that align with your vision. You should also practice gratitude for everything you have and everything you desire. Be grateful for the abundance and wealth that are already present in your life, and express gratitude for the abundance and wealth that are yet to come. Step 3. Take charge of what you feed your subconscious. Now it's time to move on to the third and last step, taking charge of what you feed your subconscious. The subconscious mind is always processing information, even when you're not consciously aware of it. It takes in everything you see, hears, and experience and stores it for later use. Therefore, it's crucial to be mindful of what you expose your subconscious to. Instead of starting your day by watching the news or scrolling through social media, take some time to focus on your intentions and visualize your ideal life. This will help set the tone for your day and train your subconscious to work towards your goals. Similarly, before going to bed at night, spend some time reflecting on your day and visualizing the kind of life you want to lead. This will help reinforce positive beliefs and attitudes in your subconscious mind, which will eventually lead to positive outcomes in your life. When visualizing your ideal life, make sure to imagine it as if it's already happening. Don't think of it as something that will happen in the future, but rather as something that's already happening now. This will help you connect with the feeling of already having achieved your goals, which is essential in programming your subconscious mind. As you visualize your ideal life, make sure to feel as if you're already living it. The feeling is the language of the soul, and it's the most effective way to program your subconscious mind. By feeling as if you've already achieved your goals, you're sending a powerful signal to your subconscious mind that this is the reality you want to create. It's important to note that assuming the persona of the wealthy and financially successful doesn't mean you're pretending to be someone you're not. It means you're embodying the characteristics and qualities that will help you achieve your goals. This includes being confident, persistent, and focused on your goals. Similarly, if being confident is important, practice positive self-talk, stand up straight, and maintain eye contact during conversations. These small changes in behavior can have a big impact on how you feel about yourself and how others perceive you. Another way to assume the persona of the wealthy and financially successful is to surround yourself with people who embody these qualities. Seek mentors or peers who are successful in their field and observe how they carry themselves. You can learn a lot from their habits and mindset. It's also important to be mindful of your finances and make smart choices that will help you achieve your goals. This means living within your means, saving money, and investing wisely. The wealthy and financially successful tend to be disciplined with their money, so adopting these habits can help you get closer to your goals. Of course, assuming the persona of the wealthy and financially successful is not a guarantee of success. Many factors contribute to financial success, and embodying certain qualities is just one piece of the puzzle. However, adopting these qualities can help you build the confidence and mindset you need to pursue your goals with determination and resilience. It is also important to remember that training your subconscious mind takes time and effort. It's not a one-time event, but rather a process that requires consistent practice and dedication. If you forget to visualize or affirm your goals one day, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track and keep working towards your goals. I hope I was able to provide a thorough study of Joseph Murphy's statement. Of course, this does not mean that we agree with everything he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form their own opinion, which is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to express your thoughts and take part in the conversation, leave a comment below the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for more entertaining, informative, and helpful videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.